power jack, 3 high-power LED bulbs. Press time button once. The curing time is 60 seconds. Press time button twice. The curing time is 45 seconds. Use a file to shape and buff your nail. Remove dust with a cotton wipe. Apply a thin layer of base coat and cure. To cure all fingers at the same time, hold the lamp to get more space. Apply a thin layer of gel polish and cure. Apply a second layer of gel polish for a richer color effect. Apply a layer of top coat and cure. Use alcohol wipe to remove any stickiness from the top. For more unique lamp prints, stay tuned with us.